Gattu Chinky was sitting dejectedly on the sofa. Seeing this, Mummy says,
Hey kids, what happened? Why are you so sad? Did something happen at school?
Mummy, it's Monty's sister's wedding in Punjabi wedding style.
Oh yes, but that is such a great news. It'll be so much fun. You'll be going to a Punjabi wedding for the first time.
But Mummy, today at school, Monty gave the invitation to everyone except us.
What?
Yes, Mummy, but why are you laughing?
Hey kids, because yesterday evening when you two went to the stationery, Monty came home and gave me the card, and maybe he deliberately didn't tell you both just to trouble you.
Gattu Chinky are surprised to hear Mummy's words.
This Monty too. He never stops pranking.
Whatever, Gattu, but Monty's prank was quite cute this time, isn't it?
Yes, Mummy. Maybe Monty isn't that bad.
Oh yes, I forgot to tell you.
Monty told you both to come at 5 p.m. today for dance practice. Oh, it's already 5 o'clock.
Gattu Chinky quickly go to the clubhouse, where Monty was already standing with all the other friends.
Hey Gattu Chinky, why did you both came so late?
Because we found out about your card prank a little late, Monty. Yes, Monty. Why didn't you give us the card directly along with everyone else?
Because that's not my style. Come on everyone, stand in line, then I'll teach you all the Bhangra steps.
Hearing Monty's words, Hari, Guddi, Bunty, Gattu and Chinky all stand in a line.
Look, do it like this. Oh, you guys are not able to do anything.
Now when our teacher is like this, what can we do?
Well, if you say that, I'm not going to teach anyone anything.
Oh, no, Monty. We'll do it properly now.
Okay, then see. Do it like this.
For an hour, Monty gives everyone a thorough training on how to do Bhangra.
Oof, I am really tired. But everyone's trained well. You should all dance like this at the wedding.
Yes, and we still have to buy Punjabi dresses for the wedding. Oh yes, I also need to buy a Punjabi suit. And with that, I am going to put paranda in my hair. Goody, you also tie that. Then our outfits will be matching. Yes, Chinky, it's going to be so much fun.
Okay. Then everyone go and do the preparation.
I am busy too. Bye.
Everyone quickly goes home. Monty's sister's wedding was 2 days away. Gattu and Chinky had done all the shopping. While getting ready for the wedding,
Papa, this is too tight.
Okay, wait. I will loosen it right now, Gattu.
Mummy, please tie it quickly. We are getting late.
Yes, come here, Chinky.
In a short while, Gattu and Chinky were all ready. And Bingo was also already wearing a Punjabi turban. Should we go, kids?
Yes, let's go.
Everyone gets ready and arrives at the wedding. Hari, Guddi and Bunty had already arrived. And the drums were playing.
Wow, everything is so amazing. Everyone is wearing such beautiful clothes. Hey Gattu, the best part is the food corner, a special Punjabi dhaba. There's delicious sarson ka saag and makke di roti, and the lassi is simply amazing. You always think about eating, don't you, Bunty?
Just then, Shiva and Kirti Didi arrive. Monty arrives with them.
Hello, Gattu Chinky. How are you? Hello, Shiva. Hello, Kirti Didi. Is this your first time at a Punjabi wedding too? Didi means we are having a lot of fun.
Oh, it's great then. Isn't it, Bingo?
Cute Bingo.
Then Monty says to everyone,
Hey, what are you all doing here? The Bharat is here. Don't you want to dance?
We have to.
Everyone quickly approaches the wedding procession and starts dancing to the drum beats. The same steps that Monty taught them.
Oye balle balle. Oye ahu ahu. Oye balle balle. Ahu ahu ahu. Wow, Gattu Chinky, you are all dancing so well. Who taught you?
Who learned?
Everyone laughs at Gattu's words. After the groom enters, the bride also enters. The bride is wearing huge bangles in her hands.
Wow, Mummy, look how beautiful the bride's bangles are.
Chinky, these are called kalera. There's a special ritual associated with them.
Really? What's that, Mummy?
Just watch, dear. You'll understand yourself.
Some of the bride's friends and sister sit together. And then the bride starts twirling them, placing her hands over their heads one by one.
Wow, what's going on, Auntie?
Kids, this is a ritual where it is believed that on whoever the scalera breaks and fall will be the next to get married.
Hearing Mummy's words, all the children are surprised and sit attentively watching the ritual.
Hey, what's this? Why did this came on me, Mummy? Mummy, I am not ready for marriage yet.
Everyone starts laughing out loud after hearing Gattu's words.
Wow, it will be so much fun at Gattu's wedding.
Huh? No.
Okay, everyone, hurry up and come and eat.
After that, the lava ceremony will begin. Oh wow, come on friends, let's go and eat.
Let's all go and eat together.
Wow, what a soya chap. And the paneer tikka is amazing. It was so much fun to eat.
Hey Gattu, skip those starters and have some Punjabi chole bhature.
Okay, then let's eat now.
Everyone finds the food really tasty. Just then, the uncle serving the food brings everyone extra large glasses of lassi.
Here, the pride of Punjabi wedding, lassi.
Oh yes, lassi.
Wow, that's great. Come on friends, Panditji is calling.
Everyone finishes their food and comes back inside. And upon seeing them, Panditji says, "Come on, it's the auspicious time. Let's start the Lavan."
What? Lavan?
Hey Chinky, just like we have 7 pheres, a Punjabi wedding has 4 Lavans.
Oh wow.
Everyone sits together and watches the wedding ceremony. As soon as the wedding is complete, everyone throws lots of flowers on the bride and groom together.
Yay! Now I will get lot of money. What? But why? Because I already stole the groom's shoes. Why, brother-in-law? If you want to take Didi with you, you'll need your shoes, right?
Oh, brother-in-law, I can never win from you. Here, your gift of stealing shoes. Monty is overjoyed to receive the gift. And he starts dancing.
Oh balle balle, oh ahu ahu, oh balle balle.